Mara... Marugami Udon. Yeah, it's a Japanese restaurant. This is my first time. I don't know what's inside. What's their menu? So I want to try. So you know guys, this food chain is always fully packed. You know, I mean, every day the people are lining up just to eat here. So I'm curious what's the food in here, why people are so fond of eating here. Just look at the line. So yeah, actually the line starts. Oh my god, it's so noisy. Sorry. So enter there. Oh my god, there's a show.
Regular lang. Ano pa?
Ako isa ka kamagi and kaki.
So lang kagawin ma'am, kanang kamagi ma'am, hapkok lang kaya sa ma'am.
Ha?
Hapkok lang ng luto ma'am.
Hapkok? Hapkok? Okay.
Okay lang? Regular lang ha?
Pero pwede man na fully cook? Sa fully cook lang ni. What's that? They said they have half cook only. Dili pwede di. Fully cook. Half cook lang gina siya? Half cook. Sige na lang kayo. Gani isa ka kaki udon o kanang kamagi udon. Sige ka na lang. Regular lang. Okay guys, I'll wait for my food. Okay. Oo, kaki. Ay, kamagi pa. Kamagi. Kamagi, okay. Sunod lang.
Okay. Sabi lang sa kasi.
Okay. Kamagi. This is all meat. Gyoza and avocado. May kasama lang sweet potato. Excuse me. Isa daw sweet potato.
combo, OG, Yakilan, or Diamond guys. Very low lang yung
Dili. Water lang daw. Oo. Dalawa siguro. Pwede dito nang pakibutang. Maraguot naman ako. Tagpila na isa kay nga na una baw kanina. Kanina pila na siya. Ingana.
Teriyaki chicken and beef.
Oo. Pila?
Pila ka na teriyaki chicken and beef?
Tagpila.
Wow.
Never mind.
Hindi ka open ito kanina.
Teriyaki. Pwede ko agi?
Tama, ilang pa.
Maglisod. Naapa ko'y kamagi dito. Isunod lang ka.
Ma'am, ano ma'am? Hindi lang po para.
Sige.
Kamaagi udon, ma'am.
Oo, kamagi udon.
Regular lang, ma'am.
Yes, regular. Hard lang akong gamiton, miss, ha?
Tingin, paday na sis ko ni guys. Asis na si ma'am.
Dari saya, ma'am. Dari are my food, guys. Thank you. Baon eh. Sambukan. So I thought it's all plain, guys. I need to get some. Sa tawagan ni anak, anong mga ano-ano. You're the one to put your own toppings. So I only add in ginger and this green onion leaves, and these flakes. I don't know what's this. Ano siya name? Udon, not noodles.
Kamahagi udon.
Dito yan, kamagi.
Kamahagi udon.
Kamagi. Ito saya. Sweet
Nito na po ma'am.
flavor.
Kunin ko na po.
Thank you. So guys, I will try this kaki udon. This is kaki udon. Tastes good. And the noodles is so thick. And it's half cooked only. I like the taste. I like the taste of the soup. Ay nga na ang taon. Alam niyo ang lasa. What's the difference, anak? Pareha naman ito. What's the difference? Pareha naman ang toppings. Hindi na sa iba. Ha? Hindi na sa iba.
Ano, ni mo gusto ako. Ang mga anak-anak. Kuan gani. Kana. Murag mooncake.
I don't know, what's this name?
Kuan. Out na.
Maki? It's a rice. It's a rice wrapped in seaweed and some feelings inside. Yummy.
Hindi magyapon na siya, pero dahil lang pang pagbibimbak ba?
We're done eating.